Understanding Garage Workshop, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and practical phrase in the English language: garage workshop. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also give you insight into everyday life in English-speaking countries. So, let's dive in. Garage workshop is a compound noun, which means it's made up of two words that combine to create a new meaning. Let's look at each word separately. Garage. This word refers to a building or a part of a building where a car is kept, often attached to or near a house. Garages are typically used for storing vehicles, but they can have other uses too. Workshop. A workshop is a room or building where people engage in manual or creative work. It's a space equipped with tools and machinery for repairing or creating things. When we combine these two words, garage workshop refers to a space within a garage that is used not just for storing cars, but also for activities like woodworking, repairing, or any creative projects. To understand this better, let's look at some examples. 1. John spends his weekends in his garage workshop, building furniture. Here, the garage workshop is a personal space where John engages in carpentry. 2. They converted their garage into a workshop for their car restoration hobby. In this case, the garage is being used as a place to repair and restore cars, which is a common use of a garage workshop. In many English-speaking countries, the garage workshop is a symbol of DIY, do-it-yourself, culture. It represents a space where individuals can be creative, solve problems, and work on personal projects. This concept is closely tied to values of self-reliance and personal skill development. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, garage workshop, and its usage in the English language. It's a great example of how combining simple words can lead to a new and specific meaning. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of English phrases. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.